Light. A source of life for our planet. A source of hope, of inspiration, illuminating every texture of our humanity, from our families to our facilities. We have reached out to explore the light of this world and beyond, harnessed its power, understood its impact on our precious planet, and realised that we all have our part to play in protecting our extraordinary modern world. At Channel Facilities Management, we take the impact of cleaning chemicals and wasted energy very seriously. By harnessing the power of nature, combined with the transformative power of science and innovation, we not only reduce our impact on the environment, we are also able to reduce the cost of our service. Channel Facilities Management, a light in our extraordinary modern world, and your channel to a greener future.